Hey there, my name's Alex, and in this tablet tutorial, we'll be going over inspections. Alright, so click on the button that says inspection, and you'll be given two options. Perform pre and post trip inspection, and view past inspections. We're going to click on the top button. You get this warning right away. And what this warning is saying, because an inspection by the FMCSA, by the ELD rules, it is labeled as on-duty work, or because it's work, you have to be logged on duty. So make sure you have your full off-duty clock reset, whether it's your 34 or your 10, whatever was needed on your clock. Make sure that's completed before you click yes. Right now, well, this is a demonstration, so we'll click yes. All right, so here we have a couple of options. We have pre, post, or equipment change, and then we can have trailers, right? I don't have a trailer, so I'm going to leave that blank, and we'll be doing a pre-trip, and so we'll just start our inspection like that. So these are just demonstration questions on my tablet. These questions are customizable by each fleet, so your questions will be different than mine on the tablet, but it will be the same functionality, which is you'll have a thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up representing good, yes, everything is in working order. Thumbs down representing no, not good. There's an issue. And so how you'd be doing this is taking your tablet out of the cradle and walking around your truck, inspecting the things as you're going along through these questions. For this example, I quickly just checked them all, but that's how they'll look. All green checks, like all green thumbs up, nice job. Yeah, and then you can click next. However, sometimes there is an issue. And so we want to send that information back to our fleet manager. And so, for example, let's say on this last question, are the headlights working? We click the thumbs down. And so it gives you two options. You can type in some text and a little camera icon. And so here we would type in not working on the driver's side. That's what we would type in. And if we wanted to attach an image, we click the little camera icon. You can see my headlights are working, but this is for demonstration. I was just outside with my car, and it automatically gets attached to that inspection. And so then when your fleet manager is reviewing this, that picture and that comments or those notes will be shown to the fleet manager or the safety personnel, whoever in your fleet, whoever's in charge of that, it'll get sent to them for review. And then the last step would be to confirm that yes, this vehicle is in current working condition. If it's not, certainly call your fleet manager and talk to them what to do next, but confirm that this vehicle is in working condition and then sign off on that inspection. And there you go. Your inspection is complete. Thank you.